Samsung's entire lineup, which includes the Galaxy Fold 7, has been leaked, showing all of the details and confirming the final few unknowns. The Z Fold 7 has a clean and luxurious design, with a slim frame and a larger camera module. The inside display has been verified to be 8 inches in size and 4.2 millimeters thick, making it lighter than the S25 Ultra. The phone weighs 215 grams and has a Samsung Ceramic 2 panel, which makes it stronger and more durable. The cover screen is 6.5 inches diagonally and features a 21:9 aspect ratio reminiscent of Sony's Xperia series. The Z Fold 7 features the same 200 megapixel primary camera as the S25 Ultra, as well as the Pro Visual Engine, which enhances image quality in low light. The cover screen selfie camera has a larger sensor, and the under-display camera on the inner screen is a punch hole, although the resolution stays unchanged. Samsung also debuts AI-powered features including photo assistant and summarization. The 1TB storage type has a 16GB RAM option, but only in the United States and Europe. The F7 can now play films for up to 24 hours, 1 hour longer than the original 6. The F7 provides up to 38% higher CPU performance and a 41% increase in AI workloads. The Z Flip 7 and Flip 7 FE are also shown, having less bezels on the cover screen and a full-screen outer display. The Watch 8 Classic features a smaller display than the Watch Ultra and Watch 6 Classic from 2 years ago. Samsung also emphasizes new health tracking features and the new One UI 8 watch interface, which has tile-based layouts. Finally, a Tecno-branded trifold phone was seen in someone's hands, and it used the same folding mechanism as Samsung smartphones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.